Hello everybody, today we're going to be learning the substitution method of solving two equations. So our first equation, x plus y equals to 15, and our second equation is 4x plus 3y equals to 38. So this is what we do first. So we first find any variable is, so any x plus y equals to 15, so we use y, subtract y on both sides, and we get x equals to 15 minus y. So why it's called substitution is now we substitute this with this equation. So now, and now let's plug in the numbers. So 4, then 15 minus y, minus y plus 3y plus 38. Now we can do 60 minus 4y plus 3y equals 38. You basically just keep simplifying the equation. 60 minus y equals to 38. Okay, now we can subtract 38 on both sides. And get 60 minus 38 equals to y, because we add y on both sides. And 38 minus 60 is 22, so y equals 22. But we're not done yet. So we had our original equation was x plus equals to 15. Let's erase this. So we have x plus 22 equals to 15. Subtract 22 on both sides, and x equals to negative 7. Now we write, there's one more step to this. We have to write our answers in ordered pair. So let's say you have, instead of y you have a, and instead of x you have b. You always write it in alphabetical order. So in this case, x comes first and then y. So write negative 7 and 22. And if you want, you can graph these points. Our next equation. So in this one, it's not x plus y, it's x plus 4y. So this one we can subtract 4y. X equals to negative 9 minus 4y. Now we can erase this. Now substitute, so 2, and then negative 9 minus 4y, because x equals to this, and multiplying x by 2, so minus 3y equals to 4. Now we have negative 18 minus 8y minus 3y equals to 4. Add 18, and then now we have, so this would be cancelled out, and this would equal to 22. So negative 11 y equals to 22. Let's erase this. Divide 11 on both sides. Simplify the equation, which equals y equals to negative 2. Now remember how I said we have to now substitute y into the equation. So now we have 2x minus 3. Actually, minus 3 negative 2 equals to 4. So now we have 2x. Negative 3 times negative 2 equals to 6. So plus 6 equals to 4. Subtract 6. 2x equals to negative 2. Divided by 2. X equals to negative 1. To write in ordered pair, so negative 1 and negative 2. That's how you would solve it.